What is question mark? Mostly anime style stuff, some cute things, some occasional scripture based stuff. Oh, awesome. Let me see. Oh. Yep, I'm already following you, Jim Bim. That's how I know you. I knew you from somewhere. All right, so now I'm going to let's put some flesh tones in there. Color swatches, this one. Let's get, nope, that's the wrong page, this one. So I've saved all these color swatches from other pages. And I just have to find where did I put Joseph's flesh tones? Oh, all the flesh tones are the same. So here we go. Flats are all going to be this tone. That's the wrong page. And I prefer using the paintbrush instead of the lasso tool. I was using the lasso tool for flats, but that was it was so boring, it's so tedious. This feels more like drawing. This feels more like coloring. Like you would do it on a coloring book. And then I'll come in later to add highlights and lowlights, color right over the teeth. Pink teeth. The program that I'm using is Clip Studio Paint. CSP is what most people in the biz call it. In the know, we just say, just using some CSP. Clip Studio Paint. Let's color the neck. Neck bones connect to the chest bone. The chest bone connect to the shoulder bone. Shoulder bone connected to the arm bone. Hear the working of the Lord. Ezekiel connecting down dry bones. Ezekiel connecting down dry bones. Ezekiel connecting down dry bones. Never used it. It is not free. It is a monthly subscription. So I do prefer to use software that is a one-time charge compared to a monthly subscription. But I gotta support my habit. All right, so what we're doing right now is everything that is not covered with fabric. Only used Inkscape, Krita, and Procreate. I've never heard of Inkscape, never heard of Krita. Procreate Pocket, maybe Procreate PC. Okay, all right, well, I just learned some things. It may not be Procreate's fault that I didn't like it. It may be just my lack of experience at the time. But I just took to all the comic artists that I had been talking with online were all about. They're just all over it. They were just all over CSP. That's all they ever talked about. I used to be a traditional pencil artist. I used to do the pencils in, pencil and paper technology, the original. But then the more I used CSP, the more that I just took to it, and now I do everything with it. And I do the pencils and the inks with it. Inkscape and Krita are for free. I may want to check them out. I may want to check them out right the heck now. I'll save. I'll just keep a tab open for those things. Inkscape and Krita. All right, I'll check them out later. Don't want to be rude to my viewers right now. Rarely draw on paper anymore, usually Procreate Pocket on my phone. Yep. I do have a sketchbook. I still have I do like buying sketchbooks, even though I don't have a need to buy it right now. I like the idea of having a sketchbook. I have many pages available on the sketchbook that I previously owned, so I don't need to buy a new sketchbook. Color right over the teeth. All right, and now Jacob's face. Actually, this is going to blend right into each other, so right there. Have sketchbooks crying to be used. Draw in me, use me, please. Forget about all your responsibilities. I'm not sure how a sketchbook would sound. Sketchbook voice sound. Maybe I should use a bigger brush. Maybe I wouldn't have to swipe so many times. Swoosh, 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 swoosh. There we go. But that gives you less control when you do that.